Hey there, foodies! Today, we're whipping up a delicious quick carbonara recipe that you'll love. Let's start with our first step. We need to boil spaghetti till they're al dente. Always remember to follow the instructions on the package for the best results. Moving on to step 2, we'll cook chopped bacon in a pan until they're crispy. The bacon will add a beautiful smoky flavor to our dish. Now, on to step 3. Whisk 2 eggs and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese together in a separate bowl. This is the heart of our sauce, so make sure you mix it well. For step 4, drain the pasta, add it to the pan with the crispy bacon and toss everything together. Make sure the pasta is evenly coated with all the delicious ingredients before we move on. Our final step 5 is to turn off the heat and add our egg mixture to the pan. Tossing everything together one more time until every strand of pasta is coated with that gorgeous sauce. And there you have it, your very own quick carbonara recipe. Serve it with extra Parmesan and pepper, and enjoy this tasty dish with your family and friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more delicious recipes from us. Until next time, happy cooking!